All right, happy Wednesday, guys. Again, I'm sorry I can't be here today. I am grading Minimax, but I'm not doing the high school ones. Today I'm doing 8th grade ones, meaning the ones with like the, all the other stuff. Anyway, we're taking care of that today, so I'm sorry I can't be here, but I definitely will see you tomorrow. All right, but let's worry about today. So, we already know we've done solving, we've done graphing, and we're going to graph again today. But here's the difference in what we're going to be graphing today. Notice how you don't have to graph just one equation, but two equations. Okay? So, and what you need to do is graph both equations, and you want to find where they intersect. Okay, so I'll do numbers 1 and 2 with you here. All right. So, in this first problem, again, we know negative 5/3 is m. We know that 3 is b. So, let's see. M is negative 5/3, and b is 3. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph that here. So we're at 3 on the y-intercept, and then it says we go down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, over 1, 2, 3. And we'll just go ahead and put 2 dots there. That will be good enough. All right, let's draw my nice line. Looks pretty good. All right, that's good enough. All right, so there is my graph down 5/3. All right, let's do the next equation. So just like yesterday, but now you're just graphing 2 different times. So my y-intercept this time is negative 3, and my slope is 1/3. So slope is 1/3. My y-intercept is negative 3. So that means I start down here this time. And then it looks like I go up 1/3, up 1/3 if I wanted to do it twice. All right, and there's my graph. So just by graphing it, hopefully you guys said, hey, Mr. Schwant, I see where the two graphs cross each other. So it looks as if this point right here, see where the two lines cross each other or overlap? So I want to know what that ordered pair is. Okay, well, let's see. It's x comma y, so x is 3, comma, the y part is negative 2. So whenever you graph two lines, there's going to be a place where they cross each other. And that place is called the solution. That's how you solve it. So you want to graph both lines and then point to the spot where it crosses and write the ordered pair where it crosses. So here it crosses at 3, comma, negative 2. All right, I'll leave that there. We'll do number 2 together as well. All right, so I have m is 4, b is 3. Okay, so m, again, let's write 4/1, and b is 3. Okay, so that means my dot goes right there. And then this would tell me go up 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. And then I could also do double opposite, go down 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left one. I could do that as well. All right, so there is my beautiful line. Let's go ahead and draw it. That will be good enough, I think. We'll see if we need to extend a little bit later. All right, the next graph, we'll do it in purple. Why not? Okay, so my slope is negative, but remember there's the 1 in front, so negative 1, and b is negative 2, so m is negative 1/1, and b is negative 2. Okay, so let's go down to the negative 2 here. And it says to go down 1/1, down 1/1. I could also go double opposite, up 1 to the left 1. And now you can see where these two lines cross each other. Again, there's my line. And again, I want you to point at the spot where they cross, which is right here. And where is that point located on my graph? Again, there's an ordered pair. So I think it's at -1, comma, -1. That's where it's located. So that's what you're doing today in class. So you graph both equations, and then you find out where the dot means. And tomorrow when I come back, we will discuss what all this means and what the purpose of we're graphing two graphs is for. So that is how you do tonight's assignment, and make sure you stay diligent, make sure you do everything, and guys, I'm so proud of you. I will see you tomorrow.